Hey, what's up, everybody? I bought these ultrasonic pest repellers about 6 months ago or so, and I got them right around early winter time because when it started getting cold outside, I started to hear like squirrels and things in my attic. And I've always wondered how good these things work, and I wasn't sure, but I went ahead and gave them a shot. And I can tell you, I'm so glad that I did. I called some pest repeller companies to see a rodent companies just to see what it would cost me, and it was like a couple $1,000s to get the animals and the pests out of my attic. I bought a couple packs of these and plugged them in strategic places like around some of my openings in the attics and things like that. And within a couple of days, like I didn't hear anything at all. It was crazy. I couldn't believe it. So if you are having any type of problem with like pests in your attics, I definitely think this is a good product. Again, 6 months later, I haven't heard anything at all. So I'm super happy with it. I definitely make sure that I check and make sure that I always have them plugged in. Again, really good product, and I highly, highly, highly recommend getting some of these if you're having any type of rodent problems.